You guys hear me now? Okay, good. Okay. Okay, 1 second, guys. I'm finishing the coffee, and I'll give time to people to join really quick. Let me put the. Let me put the meanwhile, guys. So you guys doing? You doing great? Obviously, or you're trading. The lunch. Lunch was good, man. Lunch was good. Next week I'm gonna go to Portugal for the weekend. The okay, yeah. So no, the place was crazy, man. Was really good. Uh, the only thing is that the lunch is really long. So like we arrived in the restaurant at like 12:30 and we finished to eat at like 4:30. So it was really long, a lot of courses, but the food was great. The wine was insane. Literally, like it was some really rare wine they served us was really fucking good. But yeah, the place we went is like specialized basically with vegetables. They have like their big garden. It's massive. They bring us a salad that had like had like 100 plus ingredients in it. It was crazy, man. Like the picture of the salad had like 100 different types of vegetables inside. Was insane, man. And they were so fucking tasty. And but it was three Michelin star. Plus they even got the green star, so that's for sustainability of the planet. So they have three Michelin plus the green star. So it was top 18 top 18 in the world in 2022 actually. It was 18 in the world of the best restaurants in the world. So really important restaurant for Italy. But yeah, it was a really great experience, man. Like the only thing is that at the end, like after like the lunch, it was like we even got traffic and we took like 3 hours to go back home, man. I was destroyed. Basically, did all my day eating and drinking wine. But in the car, it wasn't so good. In the car wasn't so good, man. Like they even tasted fucking beautiful whiskey at the end. Oof, it was pretty drunk, but it was really good. Okay. Uh, all right, let's go. Let's go have a look at some market. Yeah, we finished to talk about food. Now we will go through the charts. Okay, screen. Can you guys see the screen good? Yeah, good. Hey, what's up? What's up, Rob? What you doing? A lot of people tuning in the stream. That's good to see. Lovely. Thank you, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so let's start off with saying something about BTC here, yeah? So first of all, I want to see the daily. Yeah, okay. 4 hour. So as you can see, guys, BTC is this is the main level for it, this 69.2 area, and you really wanna get this flipped for continuation. So if you get this, it's super bullish, and I think honestly we will get it, um, because as I said yesterday in my corner, and this is about psychology in the market. It's like, as you can see, when we get rejections, usually you get those type of deviations, yeah. It's really rare that you get like top picked rejections here, and it was like two picture perfect. That I think this is a trap. Also because here we even got higher low again, so we get like three consecutive higher lows. Oh, let's go in here. Let's go in here, baby. Near is pushing, guys. Let's go. Really good. Man, he nearly stopped us here. Look at this shit. Ooh, that was close. Beautiful. So yeah, man, BTC. I have my reasons to think this could be continue higher. Even here, I love the fact that we didn't, with the structure, make a new low. So like this, if we made a new low here, I could have think that we could have been done for a bit, a bit more consolidation before the move. But because we made this higher low here, I actually can expect this to actually make a higher high, and then from there we see. But for now, everything you need to watch is this level here to get flipped, or like this low to be taken for continuation to the downside. Even if it rejects and we actually go lower, we're gonna be able to buy at these cool prices here. We got like this sweep levels here. We got this other sweep level into macro support. So whatever it goes, fam, it's gonna be great because even if it rejects, um, even if it rejects and we go lower, we're gonna be able to buy more stuff for cheaper prices. So it's a win-win situation. But still, I would prefer, to be honest, if we continue here, just because if we go down here, then it's gonna be taking maybe 1 or 2 months to resolve and continue higher. So that's why. But still, that's like how bull markets last more than usual. With consolidations, with some downside. So you don't have like straight up upside, but even if you get some downside sometimes, some consolidations, that's good. So let's see. For BTC, this is it for me because, like, even on the daily, it's not so clean here. Like, we didn't break any structures. Yes, here it seems like we made a lower high, but we don't have that break of structure on the daily where, I don't know, we start closing some dailies here under these. Yeah. Like if we did that, that could have been bad. But for now, this still seems like a normal consolidation. It could even be bull pendant here forming, to be honest. It could even be something like this that it's forming. So for now, it's really like everything still have to be decided, to be honest. It's a bit unclean. It could be ranging still for a bit. So I still suggest right now, guys, to don't risk your house in your trades because it's still not the best conditions. Like it's not that it's untradeable, but it's not the easiest conditions ever. So I still suggest you two guys just chill down with the size for a bit still and wait for those nice conditions to be back before pushing in back in really hard in the market. For now, I'm really chill. Like yesterday, I got some nice triggers. We got some decent trades. We got Ton that went up 10%. We still in here that is now up 5%. Sec we closed break even, but it went well at the end. So you know, the only shitcoin was W in the challenge, but wow, it's always like this for the challenge, man. I like never. It's really rare get stopped in my normal account, but when I start the challenge, man, you gotta bet those stops gonna hit there, man. It's ridiculous. I don't get it, man. It's crazy. It's ridiculous, man. But yeah, we will recover that. Uh, Let me see it BTC here real quick. Like, look at this shitcoin, man. Oh my god. If BTC is important here, guys. Let me have a look here. So, this big level for BTC right now is getting lost, man, and this is not so good for it, and it's crazy, man, because like, when are we gonna get this ETH out performance, man? It's been a while. This is being like chopping everywhere, man. And I don't remember the last time was this choppy for it, to be honest. Like, this is fucking ridiculous. Like, it goes maybe 2, 3 days that outperforms and then just dies off. This chart is crazy. But you really want to see this level being reclaimed, as you can see, gave multiple bounces. It did some deviation sometimes, but then reclaimed really fast. So, you know, you really want to see this reclaimed. Um, right here, you have the possibility of sweep of this. So get this sweep and then continue and reclaim. This could be ideal right now. So wait for this sweep on ETH and then you wait for strength to start kicking in and you bet on upside on ETH. But this chart, man, has been hideous to trade. Like ETH, for me, it's really rare for me to trade some ETH because it's so choppy, man, every time that it's like it doesn't really want to make me lose time on it. But I feel like that when we're gonna get this sweep right here, I feel like this could give some nice reaction. So I'm keeping an eye on it finally, and we will see what we get. For sure, the sweep I think is gonna give something, like even at least a move like till at least here. I think it's gonna give it after the sweep, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it for sure on the coming days. So, can you check BTCD? Sure. So, yesterday I was watching actually BTCD. BTCD is being in this range, let's say now. Those levels, big rectangles, are from other levels, by the way, that are higher time frame. But let's say we have this range. Yeah, I like it this way the most. So the thing I don't like is that we broke out here. We had this little consolidation that was going on for about a month. It was a month of little consolidation for BTC. And yesterday we actually broke this to the upside. So with alts, I'm still really cautious, guys. Like I'm not looking to jump in 1,000 positions just yet, because this is like you want to see where this goes a bit. It's the market is still like in a pretty weird spot. Like you don't know if this gets flipped, then it's good. If this rejects, then it's bad. So it's like really in that spot where you don't really have that certain confirmation of your market. Like there are a lot of signals that contradict each other right now. that is like, you know, really, really weird. You can still get some of this, like you still have some gainers on the day, not so many, but you still have some. Not much to say, but we got like the two here. Like, look, guys, we got Nier and Ton, top gainers, top five gainers. We are winning both of them. Just Bell and YGG are stronger than them, but Nier, Ton, those we were in from yesterday. So we picked our coins pretty decently. Not gonna lie, so that's pretty good. We are in the top performers on the day, and it was even from the day before, so that's pretty good. Um, but yeah, BTCD is like you wanna see what this does. At some point, as I said, I still think this is gonna reach 58% area. Like even on the weekly, look this guys on BTCD. Like this is a lot more clean. Look at this. It seems like it's really breaking out here, man. And it's good. I mean, this could like majority of the times when BTCD breaks up to the upside, it follows by a upside move by BTC. So it's really rare you get like a continued, like let's say downside on BTC and upside on BTCD. So usually when you get those breakouts, it's usually a bullish sign for BTC. It's not always like this, but let's say 80% of the times when BTCD makes a big move is usually because of some upside on BTC. Also, like every time, like here, I'm sure, like if you put it on the BTC chart, like this was the consolidation under 30K. That's when we broke out and this pushed higher. So it's not bad for the market overall. For sure, alts are gonna be underperforming, and you're gonna need to be a lot more picky on your choices of alts. So not everything is gonna go up. You need to really choose the right ones. But this is good overall for the market because this means if money goes into BTC, this could be a start of an LT push for our market. So maybe even break a new all-time high for BTC. So what I'm looking here now is getting this build swing position odds when this level gets reached. This is the level we've been waiting for like since we were here. And like for people that were in the group since last year, we have been saying like we called this bottom on BTCD so nicely. That was nearly crazy how good that was. But here was clean chart. Like, but here I think we could get something like this. Like I think really similar to this, to be honest, where we reach the 58 ones, we reach the 58 ones, we start dropping on BTCD, maybe even go back till like here, So get this first test up there, then get another one maybe, and then last push down on the market for BTCD. This could be a nice plan also well for 224, 225, but I think overall for 58% is going to arrive sooner than later. And when it's going to arrive, I feel like this could be a nice stop for BTCD. And that would mean that all season is really close when we reach that level, in my opinion. We still haven't got an all season. Like, even in those good conditions, right? Like, even in those good conditions, we haven't got actual all season. Like, we never had like big drops on BTCD. We just had like upside only, so we still haven't got all season, and that's what I always tell you guys: don't burn your capital right now because it's like not worth it. It's like the all season is gonna come, and that's gonna be the real fucking easy mode, man. Like, that's literally where like you close your eyes and you just click on the mouse and choose a random coin, and it's gonna go up. So that's literally what awaits you, and it's gonna happen. We don't know yet when, but I know it's gonna happen. So you wanna have that capital in your pockets when that's gonna arrive. Like imagine right now, I don't know, you have 100K and you lose like 50K in the chop, And then easy mode comes and you see like coins doing a 2x every day and you're there with like half of your capital and you're like, fuck man, I should have waited. So trust me guys, here is the best moment for you to actually like let the things pass a bit. You know, you still can trade, but like risk half of the half you're doing before, you know. Get keep compounding your deck capital, you know, compound and with small positions, and as well, you can use this time to learn and find your own setups. So you can do a lot of things right now, you know, but don't risk too much because it's not worth it. Trust me. Like if you were in from the bear market, right there you had to wait like two years to get in this mode, right? So right now we're in bull market, it's consolidated, it's like everyone knows it's bull market, we are in it. So like you don't have to wait, we don't have to wait all that time. So like it's not that you have to wait 2 years, but you might have to wait like 1 month, 2 months, you know, and then you're back in easy mode and you have all your capital there. So I hope that makes sense. When all season, hey man, we all been waiting for it. I love it. uh, hopefully soon, man. Hopefully soon. But in spot, just chill or maybe sell a portion of your portfolio for later. So it always depends on what's your view, like what's your point, what's your target. I mean, um, what you want to do with those money, like how much time you have, how much time do you want to put in the market, right? Like I have some friends that have like works, they work full time already, they have a job, and they don't have much time to actually focus on the market, or they don't want. So I just tell them, look, these are the best fundamental coins. Just buy and hold. You know, you just wait for that. I don't know, major bad news coming and sell, or when you think the bull market has reached an end, and that's where you sell. Or if you have more time, you can rotate those gains around. Not too much, but you still can sell a part, buy some others. Always have some cash, of course, even in case of drops, so you can buy and lower your entries. But you know, it depends on you. It all depends on you. Hey, have a good day. Good day, Rob. You going to meet the guys tonight or tomorrow? Ah, Sunday. Oh, I thought you guys would have went partying, no? You don't do some Miami partying. That's good, man. We still have party to do, man. We gotta go do some party, man, for sure. Gonna be fun. Have a good one, man. All right. So, NKR, I will go through some chart requests soon. I wanted to see if there were some more questions about what I said. All season comes once BTCD starts dropping. Yeah, yeah, man. Like usually, all season when BTCD drops, that's because capital goes out from BTC and goes into alts. That's literally what this chart is. Like this is the market cap of BTC against all other coins. So like when this drops means the market cap of BTC is decreasing in percentage compared to the market. So this means money are going into alts. That's what that means. That's literally the definition, and that's why this when this drops is alt season, because it's capital literally going from BTC into alts. The best deal came in January, March last year. Yeah, man. I wasn't there. Yeah, I was there, but I didn't have knowledge. So I remember, man, it was crazy. Like I didn't have no knowledge, but I did like 10x my portfolio. as like a fucking rookie. I didn't know anything about it. Ah, last year. No, it wasn't last year. Like you mean 223 or like the bull market in 221? Because like we haven't got an actual alt season last year. We didn't have one. We haven't got one. Like this was, yeah, 222. This was the last time actually odds got some capital in it. So that's why I'm saying, man, we haven't got it. It's not like even if there were some beautiful conditions, man, we haven't got an actual alt season. That's what I'm saying. So guys, feel free to we can go through some chart requests right now if you guys want. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna look for new trades, but for sure we can put down some plans. So if you guys have some coins you want me to chart, I'm gonna go through them for sure. We can chart them together. I'm gonna go through MKR because he asked me from before already. So we will go through MKR. Man, oof. So MKR. This chart is insane, bro. Oof. So right now, I wouldn't really be looking for positions on this, just because we got this big sweep right there, big sweep right here. Um, it's crazy, man. This chart is insane. It it's like even hard a bit to find entries for the way the price moves, but a possible entry on this could be either this. This could be a nice entry. Yeah. Let me see if we can find. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I can notice like some like support here. Yeah, I think I'd say this is a good level here for MKR. Like, it's really weird price action, I'm not gonna lie. So something like this, deviate, reclaim, and then higher. This is what I would have for MKR. Or yeah, you have different opinion, but the only thing is that I want to see this go lower because like we just swept some big key level up there. So right panel, yeah, you're right. Because it's my screen is pretty big, so it's I don't see a difference. Okay, wait a second. Let me put it like this. Yeah, cool. Like this good? But yeah, NKR, this is what I would be looking for. The only thing is that I don't like the fact we just swept this big liquidity up there. So for now, I would be waiting for a bit, at least to get the level tag down there, give it a bit of room to breathe, right? Okay, let's go through the other requests. NDR. Holy moly. So I would say for now, so this was kind of a breakdown structure right there on on this coin. It was a bit overextended, as you can see, but right here is gonna soon be going through some big support, and that's right here. So all this area here could be a nice old level. So we can go down in the chart. Yeah, this could be fucking beautiful. This entry in this area from here to 8 from 7. If you're looking for spot, if you're looking for a leverage play, I would be waiting at least to get this level tagged. Yeah. And then from here see actually some I don't know, Swifty structure, something like that, like something like this. You wait for this to happen and then you buy for futures. Stop here. If you don't know these market structure concepts, I have video linked in my channel. You can easily look at that. But this is what you would be looking for. This area right here, a nice weekly demand, big weekly demand here. So you can mark this level on your chart, and then from there you're gonna be like waiting for this structure to be changed, have some bullish structure forming, and that's where you can be entering RNDR. Okay, Sol. Holy moly, Sol is choppy city, man. Holy fuck. So, I don't like Soul as much, to be honest. This was an attempt to form an ascending triangle here and an attempt to break out, but we deviated actually. We broke down and we rejected from the trend line. So I don't like. I feel like there could be better coins in the market right now. What could be a nice entry here, possibly? Like you can see, like you can avoid to see that there is this trend line here, let's say, and you can be waiting. You can think this in a way like this, where this is just a range. So in this case, I would be longing something like this, and then at the reclaim you buy and you target up here for Sol. So you want to see this liquidity to be taken, and then from there you wait for a nice reclaim, and that could be a nice plan for Sol. But as I said, I feel like, even with ETH being so close to actually sweeping that big level, I feel like you could find more value into it soon other than Soul. I'm gonna say it here, you're gonna be like, ooh, what? Yeah, but I think this way, because ETH is really close to actually sweeping some key levels, and Soul already like had a nice little big run, and it didn't. So I feel like there is nearly more money to be made on it other than Soul right now. LTC. So I checked this chart already, and what I can tell you is that we need to flip this level. It looks really good, LTC, overall. Overall, it's a really good chart. As you can see here. It's a good chart. Like this could be a nice little double bottom, okay? But you want to see like some strength going into this, like maybe even break above this level here, and that's where you're gonna actually have a confirmation of your break, because you have this level here from here as well. So I would say like once you break like 117, or once you start closing above like 102 on the weekly, that's where you could be looking for some bullish price action on LTC. So for this one, I'm gonna be looking at the LTC BTC chart real quick. Holy fuck. Eh, they were saying the digital silver. Oh my god. They were they were calling this the digital silver, man. Jesus. Oh man. But Uh, I mean, I think you still have something to confirm. To be honest, here, I don't see honestly that much. Like even this weekly on the LTC BTC pair is not that good here. Not the best. Not the best. I would wait for LTC to be honest. So MKR we see AI. AI you mean like the ticker, yeah? Sleepless AI. So for AI, I would even say, mm, yeah. mm, I mean this is just ranging a bit. He got a nice run already, man. Like it went already like up a good amount. But right now we are at support. But the only thing is that with the merge of those coins, AI coins together, news there could be an short-term bearish for AI. So I'm waiting a bit to see some strength coming back to AI and see some beats in it before bidding other AI family coins. But it's still good. I mean, overall, it's a really good chart. Rune? Actually, I have it here already. I like Rune. I like Rune because we got this big level here. We got a nice whip here. And this looks good, man. I like the Rune a lot. It needs a bit of strength. Also, uh, right now I'm just analyzing the coins. How you ask me what I think about them and what are my levels on them. So, but at the end of the day, guys, you're gonna still think that on BTC we are down here. So you wanna be careful to open positions right now. Like we got weekend coming, and if BTC doesn't flip this, we could be chopping still. So like, don't just blindly enter. I'm just looking at those odds by the way they are, and I'm not taking consideration of BTC. But you guys should for sure. So Rune looks good. It's consolidating nicely here. It's a good level. Like if it loses this level here, that could be a bad sign for it. Like if you start seeing some consolidation, like I don't know, you see price doing like this and then just fizzle down like this, then that's really bad. But until we are up here, that's good. So Sol we already see. CHR. So about CHR, we took a nice trade the other day with this. But the only thing I don't like about CHR is that when I see those candles here like this. So when I see those candles like this, it's usually like midterm toppy situation. When they have like this last push up with a big wick and then just fizzle downs like this, it's usually like not. It's usually a top sign for it. It had a really good run, man. On CHR, CHR really did this run. And right now, I would say we rejected there because we had this level here. I would say because he kind of touches a lot here, touches a lot bottom. So for CHR here, this could be still a nice area for the TP. Look at this weekly candle here. So I feel like CHR is a bit in a toppy situation, and until I don't see some clear strength on it, I won't go through it. I'm going in order, man. I will go through every chart. Just I go in order so I don't miss any. So ABT, never wrote. What is this? I don't know what this coin is, but it doesn't look too bad, neither too good. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. I can clearly see it has the liquidity of nothing, literally. It has no liquidity. Yeah, but I mean, I don't really know what to tell you, to be honest, about this. Maybe you buy this all-time high retest. But the price action is hideous on this. Maybe you just buy spot and forget. I don't know what project is that. OP? Where is my chart? So we took a nice trade here the other time on OP, but then after that it's being pretty bad. So as you can see, this is really similar setup that we had on Sol, actually. Look, this is a really similar setup. Really similar. Yeah, exactly the same setup. We are losing the old all-time high level. We still have like this range low, let's say. So I would probably buy. I mean, you can buy. It's not a bad spot, but as I said before, with BTCD kind of strong, you want to really be looking for those coins that are outperforming the market, because if not, you risk really to go against it, and you really need to be picky in your coins. You need to be strong. Oh my god. Jeez. They need to be strong. Need to be strong. Right now it's not. Right now it's not strong at all. But it's gonna be. Like especially like this is connected to it. So if it goes well, this goes well, and if it goes shit, then it's gonna go shit. But yeah. The fuck am I? I mean, overall, this is a really good chart. I don't like the fact that we just lost this level that I already have drawn here. Feel like feel like you can get like better entry on this. I don't like the fact we lost this level here. I don't like the fact that we made like this little deviation on this. If you know me, you're gonna be wondering why you're watching always on these higher time frames. It's because I always make decision based on my higher time frame view. So If I don't like the coin on the daily, for sure I'm not gonna trade it. But yeah, lost this level, made a deviation up there. I think you can buy it at like 70 cents. On the day, this is a red coin still. Is not for sure outperforming no one. So you kind of like either this is a little trap, you wait for this to be reclaimed and then you can buy this. So this is deviation, reclaim. That could be your spot. And we go to inch. Even inch, man. Jesus. So even inch, let's say we got this is your range, and we are sitting at a low range. So this is not a bad spot for sure. Maybe here you kind of want to see something like this to enter. So break the structure, retest here, and you buy targeting here and then maybe higher. But you kind of want to see a break of structure here on it, confirm this being the bottom, and then from there you can buy in and inch. Hello, how you doing? I'm doing great, man. Thank you. All right. We do the last ones, and then we will see what to do about next week and this weekend. Maybe some weekend plans we can put, and then we can end the stream. So, AVAX. So it's kind of the same as the other coin we watched before, where you have like this kind of breakdown, breakdown topping. Volume, I want to see it. So even the volume here kind of tells you that it's like kind of it's a move that's been held by the volume. So still be careful. So on this as well, I would be waiting for a change of structure. Right now, I feel like there are better coins in the market. Like this goes with Sol as well. So if Sol doesn't look the best, this is not gonna be looking great either. So you kind of want to wait for that structure to change to actually move on. Rose? So I hope, guys, by the way, that you're gonna be taking like as you can see, I'm doing a lot of charting here. Like I'm literally making my chart from zero when you guys ask me um, opinions on some coins. So I hope you guys taking notes on like I don't know how I draw my levels, what I look for, what's my plans, and where they come from. So hopefully like this will help you a bit. It's not only so you can buy and ape your coin. So Rose overall looks great. The weekly looks good. You might want to wait a bit lower for it. So like get to test this level here. We move on. Yeah, I confirm that's the best level we could go from. And even here, as you can see, what's going on? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Hello, hello? Someone can hear me? Hello? Can you guys hear me now? Okay, I'm back. Can you guys hear me? Okay, good. Yeah, my connection just died. I don't know what happened. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay. Oh, nice. Near is pushing, guys. Near is pushing. Really bullish. That's good. Man, it nearly stopped us out this morning. Jesus. It's beautiful, but like, my God, it went really close here, huh? How far away was it? Jeez, those stops placement, baby. Ah, will you be updating challenge with new order? It's weekend tomorrow starting, so I might gonna start it again on Monday. As you guys know, I don't like trading weekends unless we are in like crazy season, like where everything is bullish, right? Like especially right now where market is choppy over the week, man, you should completely avoid trading in the weekends. Weekends are really like a pain, so you should be taking your time off and recover energies for the next week, to be honest. But yeah, Nier looks fucking phenomenal, guys. Look at this shit. Damn, this is good. Really good. Let me check. We got a nice outperformer here, guys. As you can see here, even on the BTC pair, we're getting this breakout on the BCDC pair. This is beautiful, guys. Really fucking good. Really good. We're breaking out on the pairing. So this is a beautiful position we got ourselves in, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go through the last coins. So I'm gonna go through ZRX, Audio, and Algo, and that's it. And then we can close the stream. Next week we will be going. I want to do at least 2, if not 3 streams next week, so we can even maybe do some live trading. I have a project, a secret project going on, and I will share you more details when it's gonna be ultimized, and that's gonna be really nice to do. But next week, let's try to get at least 2 or 3 streams going, yeah? So, ZRX, I don't know what happened there. Usually when I see those, it's kind of bad. Like, it's when I see this big fucking rejection is usually not a good sign. But what I can tell you is that soon we are going to be reaching some really important levels for it. And that's a really good area where you're going to be able to buy after. So right here, so it like place your alerts at like 0.52 because this is a major level here, and this could be a really good entry. This could be like a nice consolidation with breakout and retest. So if we get this 0.52 entry here, that's gonna be really good. So place your alerts there. But for now, when I see stuff like this, I kind of really look for the biggest. You want to kind of be looking for the biggest level to actually get along. You don't want to try to catch this in the middle because this is not really a good looking rejection here. I don't know what caused it though. Like I thought that day that we got like this, I don't know. I thought there was some bad news on it, but I didn't saw any on it, so it's like kind of bad. Audio. So I have my May level area. If the coin is not on my May level area, it's a no-no. But it's still under big res here. We still haven't broke this level yet, while other coins are already above this weekly consolidation. So this doesn't look so good. And as well here, the structure is not good because you have like this broke structure. We have like 3 consecutive lower highs. So like this is probably gonna take the low again. They are better coins. They still haven't breaking out from this consolidation here. So be careful. Yeah, same for this coin. Right here. This was your level to flip. We even wicked above it and closed below it. Let me delete this so it's clearer. Look at this. Not good. I don't like. I like those coins that are already bro, like at least they are like retesting this level, or they are above this level and they're showing strength. Like if you can see, all the charts are looking like this. You have the bull market top, the last bull market top. Then you have another high that was the 69. There are some that it's lower high, and there are some that are higher high. Then we have a big bear market, and then we have big consolidation. So 90% of the charts are going to be looking like this. 90% of the charts. So you have this big consolidation that usually starts from May to 2022 and lasts till now. And like there are coins that are above it, like they are here, and maybe they're doing the structure here, they're getting prepared to test this level for this retest. And there are coins that never flipped this level actually, and they actually got rejected with the last push at the resistance. And usually those coins that are just got rejected here from this resistance and they are like trading here, I leave them. Okay, last coin here, because I remember there was a request before. Yeah, Pier as well here. Look, guys. So really good consolidation here. Like this was like a chart I told you. Like here was bull market top. There were more chart history before, but like we had this big consolidation. Pier is one of those that actually broke it. We got a little retest here the other time, so I feel like that could be still a spot to buy. But so you place your alert here at like 5.3, and that's where you want to be looking for a possible reaction, or you can even be looking for a reaction here currently. Could be a higher low, okay, a higher low idea, but this is a good trade only if this breaks structure. So if it breaks structure, you long it and you target here minimum and then up here. It's not bad. It's not for sure one of the worst coins. It broke that big consolidation here. It retested it. We made a higher high. So here it would make sense to make a higher low, but you want to see some structure changing on it. So break the structure there. So break the structure, higher low, and that's where you want to buy. All right, guys. Really good stream, guys. We went through a lot of requests. I hope you guys learned something by even watching me charting, my ideas, what type of coins I like, what type of coins I don't like. Other than that, this weekend I'm probably gonna chill. We are riding really comfy positions right now, with Nier really going super good, and Ton as well, looking really great. We got some really good entries yesterday on those two, so that's really good. We took TP2 on. Look at this perfection, by the way, on this trend line, guys. Look at this. We took TP perfectly on it. But yeah, guys, wishing you good weekend, and I'll catch you guys in the chats. Have a good one, guys.